Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge, right? I am Roosevelt, and the drink I will be making for you right now is an autumn Rickey, right? I've already made a bourbon Rickey, right? This is a similar to the bourbon Rickey, but this time we're going to incorporate maple syrup, right? The recipe calls for Class B maple syrup, which is a darker maple syrup. I do got some A, but I also got this Crown maple syrup, which is bourbon barrel aged. So I think it'll make a better tasting one because we got a little more bourbon into it. But anyway, we're gonna make this in the glass that we're serving, right? We got some lime wheels in the ice already. So first things first, we're gonna go with an ounce of lime juice, right? We're gonna pour it over the ice. Just freshly squeezed. Next, we're going to go with 1.5 ounces of bourbon. A little too much. And then 1/2 ounce of the maple syrup. I want to give this a nice little swirl. And then finally, we want to top it off with some club soda. And there you have it, an autumn Rickey. This is perfect. I think I like it better than the bourbon Rickey. All the flavors work really well together. I think using a higher proof bourbon, which this is 62.5%, so 125 proof, helps a lot because you're adding, a lot of sweetness and you're adding the club soda. So it gives you a little kick to it, right? It's very refreshing. Perfect autumn cocktail to be outside barbecuing or just entertaining guests by the fire pit, right? It's perfect. Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, cheers. And while you at it, if you're a TikTok person, go subscribe to Team 5. I don't know what they do on there, maybe some Diddy stuff, but I'm just kidding. Cheers.